Our job at TransEdge Truck Centers is to sell you a quality vehicle and back it up with exceptional service. In fact, world-class service is a hashtag we started using because of the service we deliver and the awards we've been honored to receive over the past few years. In 2021, our Schuylkill Haven team was awarded the Mack Trucks Customer Service Satisfaction Award. In 2022, our team finished in the top 10 at the Volvo Vista competition in Sweden. Their top 10 finish was the highest a North American team has ever placed in the International Training Contest. In 2023, our Edgers team captured the top prize at the Mack Masters Service Competition, a truly remarkable achievement which we are incredibly proud of. It's that kind of service that got Elvada Trucking back on the road recently.
We had to put a transmission in one of the trucks. There was an issue to where the truck wasn't shifting properly. They had mechanics working on it. They had Mack involved with it. They had E-Service, which is Mack's elite service, trying to figure this problem out. Nobody could figure it out. The team that you're talking about got their hands on it. 2 days later, the problem was fixed.
It's that kind of service TransEdge prides itself in at all locations, with the goal to keep your fleet on the road.
It's just the way I treat the customers here. We try to treat them as if, it was our own truck. We'll get it back up on the road, back working.
World-class service at TransEdge Truck Centers. Count on it.